Here comes the sun, doo-doo-doo-doo. Here comes the sun, and I say it's alright. Little darling, it's been a long, cold, lonely winter. Little darling, it feels like years since it's been here. Here comes the sun, doo-doo-doo-doo. Here comes the sun, and I say it's alright. Little darling, the smiles returning to their faces. Little darling, it seems like years since it's been here. Here comes the sun, doo-doo-doo-doo. Here comes the sun, and I say it's alright. Sun, 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 here it comes. 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 Little darling, I feel that ice is slowly melting. Little darling, it seems like years since it's been clear. Here comes the sun, doo-doo-doo-doo. Here comes the sun, and I say it's alright. Here comes the sun. Here comes the sun, and I say it's alright. It's alright.
Hello jammers, that was Here Comes the Sun by the Beatles, and I deliberately left some parts where I made mistakes on, so because I was sight reading, so it was my second time sight reading that piece, and I also just wanted to give the real life sort of imagery and what it's actually like when you do sight read something that you haven't seen before. So that's naturally what would happen unless you are someone who is reading music every day and you're sight reading every day and you are basically playing music every day. For me, I just got the Trinity Rock and Pop book. I just got this book and I thought, let me try out the exercises as I normally do in order to challenge myself. So I read through it, I played through it once for the first time, and then the second time I played record. So that should encourage those of you who are starting out. And then you also would have noticed that I added a couple of fills that were not necessarily in the book, and some ghost notes that were not part of the arrangement that was put in front of me, and that's just to get myself comfortable, as I said in the video. So I hope that you enjoy the exercises that you are currently doing, and I'll see you in the next one.